Hello my friends, today we're going to make a double easel fold card. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. If you're new here, I hope you'll take just a minute and tap the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now let me tell you about this card. I made this for my daughter's anniversary, which is coming up in May, and I'm so happy to have this made early. I won't be scrambling at the last minute to make a card. But isn't it pretty? I used some silver foil paper on here just to give it some sparkle and shine, as well as these close to my heart silver glitter enamel dots. I think it's just beautiful. Let me show you what it looks like from the side. And it's going to be hard to show you, but this card stands up and can be displayed on a desk or a dresser or a mantle. Just looks so very pretty. We have a new Close to My Heart catalog for March and April, and when you place an order with Linda, and I'll give you a link to her Close to My Heart site, you can get one of these catalogs. Now, the papers for my card came from the mixed in paper pack, and I used the yellow right down here, and then this pretty gray striped. And I thought they went so well together. I love yellow and gray. And then that silver just really makes them pop. Now the stamps that I used are from the stamp set of the month. And this is called Family Legacy. Isn't it beautiful, guys? We've got all these gorgeous flourishes. And here's a vintage bouquet down here. And then we have Legacy, Love, and Family. And then we have the smaller words that go with each one of them. And you can see I used love and the profoundly tender feelings for another person on the front. And I put it on this stitch scalloped oval. Then on the inside, and there you see I've also stamped it with this flourish and this flourish. On the inside, once again, I use that same stamp here and here, and then I stamp congratulations on your anniversary. And this came from the Cardz TV congratulations stamp set. I think it just makes the most beautiful card. Now for today's card, we're going to use this set, but we're going to make a birthday card, and we're going to use that same mixed in paper pack. I've lost it now. I'll find it again though, because we're going to be using this lavender stripe and this lavender floral and make a really pretty birthday card. For the base of our double easel card, I have a piece of cardstock. This is white and it's cut at 4 1/4 by 11 inches, and I'm going to score this at 5 1/2. Now to go on the inside of our card base, I've cut another piece of gray like I used on the first card, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. And to go on top of that, I've cut a white piece which is 3 3/4 by 5. And you can see I've already stamped it with that awesome Family Legacy vintage floral bouquet right down here in the bottom. And I took some Copic markers because I wanted it just to have just a little bit of color to match my papers. So for the leaves, I used G21 lime green. And for the little flowers, I used RV91 grayish cherry. Didn't do any shading. I just wanted the lightest touch of color. That is so pretty. And I stamped wishing you God's blessings on your birthday. We're going to lay this aside and we're going to work on the easel part of our card. Now this is some more of that gray. And this is cut at 4 inches by 10 1/4. And we're going to score this at 2 1/2 and at 5 inches. And we'll go ahead and get that folded. This is going to be a mountain fold, and this will be a valley fold. We want to make sure we get our edges lined up so it's straight, and we'll go ahead and burnish these folds really well. And there's the easel part. I went ahead and adhered my pattern paper to the silver because that silver was so shiny, it was just blinding. But I'll give you the dimensions. Okay, this piece of silver paper for the top part, I cut at 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and then for this bottom part, the silver was cut at 2 3/8 by 3 7/8. Now the flowered paper is 3 3/4 by 5, and the striped is 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, we're going to fold this up, put some art glitter glue on the back, and put this on our card base. This is going to turn out so pretty, and I'm going to be so glad not only to have that anniversary card ready to go, but now I've got another card for my birthday card stash. I'm going to try to get this lined up evenly. Use my bone folder to press it down, and then I'll show you what we're going to put on our double easel card. Isn't that pretty? And so sparkly. Okay, I took that Family Legacy stamp again, and I cut out a square, and let me tell you what size this square is. It is 3 inches. Yeah, this is a 3-inch square, and I stamped that same beautiful vintage flower like I did on the inside. Once again, I colored it with the Copic markers, and then I stamped Thinking of You right up here, and I put some of those beautiful, close to my heart, silver glitter gems on here. And I believe you can find these in the core catalog, guys, in silver and gold and maybe a beautiful mint julep green. But because I colored it, you can see it on the back. So I cut another square. I'm going to get these adhered together with my art glitter glue. Then I'm going to put some foam tape just right down here and get this attached to the front. Here's my finished birthday card. Thinking of you. Wishing you God's blessing on your birthday. I love this double easel fold. That's so pretty. And then here's my daughter's anniversary card. Love the profoundly tender feelings for another person. Congratulations on your anniversary. They are both so pretty, and they were both made with the Close to My Heart stamp set of the month for March, called Family Legacy. And you can see what beautiful cards you can make with these, but you can also use that stamp set for some gorgeous scrapbook layouts. Now I'm going to give you a direct link to Linda's Close to My Heart site where you can pick up that stamp set. If you spend $50 on Close to My Heart products, you can get it for just $5, guys. That is a bargain. And you also want to check out that mixed in paper pack that I used for the papers for these two cards. But I just love both of them. I just think they're gorgeous. And I'm so happy I've got an anniversary card and a birthday card ready. And it didn't take long at all. And I love this card fold. Thank you all so very much for coming by today. If you like this tutorial, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And I hope you'll come back and see me again soon when we'll do another card. Bye now.